Hey guys, this is an HP OfficeJet 8125 with a cartridge is missing error. It shows that the yellow ink cartridge is missing even though it is in there. And if you have the same problem on a printer similar to this one or this model, this is what you'll need to do to fix that. Basically, look at which cartridge is having the problem and then go ahead and open the cover to have the cartridges roll over here. Then we'll just need to remove the cartridge that's having the problem. Mine is the yellow one. And what I need to look for are those contact areas inside of the printhead. If you look closely in here, this is the area, and these are the contact points or the pins that touch the cartridge contact area right here. And that's how it reads off of this chip, is the ink level and making sure that is the correct cartridge. And what happened with mine, and I just noticed it, I was working with this, taking the cartridges in and out, and then I had some tape laying around, and you can see right here it got stuck on there. That's why when I put the cartridges back in, it told me that the yellow one is not there. Let me show you. So yeah, this is the piece of tape that got on there somehow. So that could be the case with you if you're replacing cartridges and you had tape somewhere. You're supposed to remove tape up here usually, and that's something to check for. And if all of them are telling you like that there is no cartridges, the most common error is that the chip is having a problem, or if it's missing. Sometimes there are sets sold without the chip, so check for that. But usually all of them are going to have the chip on them. So I would just check this area and clean it. If there's some ink on here, sometimes you replace the cartridge and the problem does not go away. So that's what needs to be done. I'm going to remove the cartridges just to be safe. I'm going to unplug the printer so this doesn't roll over. And what we can do now, that's the reason that I need to turn off the printer and unplug it, is if I'm touching these, I don't want anything to short circuit or anything like that or give it an error, but I just want to check all these pins and make sure that they're not bent or broken. So check this out. They're very easy to break. So if they do break, or sometimes they are bent for whatever reason, just make sure you pop it up. Sometimes it's stuck, like it would be stuck all the way down like this here, so it won't touch the chip. And if only 3 pins are touching it out of the 4, then it will not read the ink cartridge and it'll just say that it's not there. So check that out. Look at these pins. Most of the times you'll probably just see the problem right away and try to fix it, and hopefully you can just kind of gently just push it up a little bit. Try putting the cartridge in and see if it reads it then. But definitely check out the pins if your problem does not go away after you put a cartridge in. Like a replace cartridge or replace it with the old and the problem stays there. Most likely the problem is with these chip reader pins. And also, it's never a bad idea to just go ahead and clean the pins. So I'm using an alcohol swab. Is the best tool to use because it doesn't leave any lint or anything like that. It's just alcohol. It dries. It doesn't leave any moisture. And I would do the same thing on the problem cartridge. So just clean this here. Sometimes you'll see ink, and that's what's causing the mess up with the reading of the cartridge. So do that, wipe it dry or let it air dry for a minute, and then turn the printer on and wait for the prompt to put the cartridges back in. And I'm going to put the same cartridges back in when it asks for the cartridges. For now, I'll just close the top and the front cover and just wait for the printer to prompt for the ink cartridges. While it's doing that, I hope this trick was able to, fix your printer. And if it did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down in the comment section below if you have a certain problem or something that your printer is doing and you don't like that it's doing that. Let me know, and I'll try to share what I know regarding this printer model or another one, and I'll do my best to get back to you quickly. So I'll just wait for that. So it's now saying cartridges missing, all of them, and I know that they're not there, so that's a good message at this point. Hopefully all of them go away, or it's not going to give me a cartridge missing error after I put these back. So I removed the tape on the yellow cartridge and also cleaned up the pins and the chips on here. It's over here, ready for the cartridges. All right, all cartridges are in there. So now we're just waiting for the printer to recognize the cartridges and let us know if everything is all right. So the only error that it gave me is the improper shutdown, because I unplugged the printer while having the printhead in the middle. So if I just went ahead and pressed the power button, it would roll away and I would not be able to get to the pins. So that's why I had to unplug it, and gives that error. It's not a very good thing to do it often, but if you need to do it, it shouldn't hurt your printer. So now the error is gone and we're ready for printing. And we're back in business. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you were able to fix your printer and get rid of that error. And if you did, please don't forget to share with us and have yourself a great day.